Hello and welcome once again to another episode on the White Dog Garage YouTube channel. My name is Bob. In this episode we're leaving the workshop to do a repair in the field, and you might find it interesting. You might find a few hints, or you too might find useful if you're working away from the workshop. And I hope you follow along and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. This repair was filmed in Brisbane, Australia during the month of August. Strong winds are a feature of this month, and yesterday a sudden gust slammed the gate closed and broke the latch pin off. So today the job is to weld it back on. The damage was not confined to the broken latch pin. The catch was bent as well, so it will also need to be straightened. Although it is only beside the workshop, I'm treating it as an off-site job and bringing everything I need to do to the job, which in this case is a portable welder and a bag of tools. Every job is different, of course, but these are the tools I've bought for this job. A ball peen hammer, pliers, welding gloves, a spray can of zinc-rich paint, a power box, welding rods, a grinder, and a rotary wire brush. On the welder I carry a helmet, handheld wire brush, chipping hammer, and of course its leads. This power box comes equipped with 2 outlets and a built-in circuit breaker and residual current device, which I always test before I use it. Starting with the rotary wire brush, I first remove the paint from the area which I would be welding. I then use the grinder to shape the area where the latch pin will be welded. And as well, I took the paint off an adjacent area on the gate to ensure a good contact for the earth clamp. Off camera, I had dressed and beveled the latch pin with the grinder, but rather than using a clamp, the quick and easy option was to use my gloved hand to position the latch pin in place. Tacked in position, I then went and welded the joint out. The electrode I'm using here is a 2.6mm E4313 in an Australian welding standard, or 332nd E6013 in the American welding standard. I'm running it at 90 amps on alternating current. This rod's an all-position one and suits this style of repair. Finally, I used the grinder to clean up the weld area. I used the pliers to straighten the catch plate. It took a few goes to get it moving smoothly, but finally I had the catch working correctly. Then it was out with the hammer to do some, let's say, fine adjustment on the latch pin. What I was looking for was a smooth and positive action when the gate was closed. The gate has a support wheel at the bottom, directly under the latch pin mount, so there is no sagging of the gate to deal with. With everything working as required, I gave the repair a coat of zinc-rich paint. This acts both to prevent rust formation and also as a primer for the top coat. Just a short video this time, which I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to talking to you again on the next episode.